it's time to draw the construction of rhombus. In a rhombus, we know that all sides are equal and diagonals are not equal. We know that to construct the rhombus, we require minimum two measurements because all sides are equal. Now we have here the first problem given. Construct the following rhombus with the given measurements and also find their area. First problem is FAC face, FA is 6 cm and FC is 8 cm we have to draw. Construction of rhombus. Always we have to draw with the neat diagram using scale, compass, pencil, all geometrical instrument. Construction of rhombus. FAC face FA equal to 6 cm and FC is 8 cm. First of all, we must draw the rough diagram. Draw two parallel lines using scale and two more parallel lines which intersect the previous parallel lines which are drawn. Now give the name FAC face. FA is 6 cm. Join FC. FC is 8 cm. All sides are equal. So AC is 6 cm, EC is 6 cm and FE is also 6 cm. Draw another diagonal. Now it's time to draw the flat diagram. Put a dot on 0 and at 6 cm. Now join both the dots. Give the name FC is 6 cm. Now take your compass, take radius 8 cm in the compass. From FS center, draw an arc of 8 cm towards C, and now we are taking 6 cm in the compass because all sides are equal, and from A center intersect the previous arc drawn as 8 cm and give the name to the points of intersection as C. Always draw it properly. Join AC and FC. After joining AC and FC, again 6 cm in the compass, draw an arc from C as center and another arc F as center which intersect the previous arc drawn from C. Now the point of intersection is E. Join FE and CE. FE and CE. CE. Now the required rhombus FAC face is completed. Join both the diagonals. Measure the diagonal. Another diagonal. First diagonal is 8 cm and another diagonal is measuring the diagonal. D2 is measure it properly. D2 is 9 cm. Now D1 and D2 8 cm and 9 cm we have obtained. Now to find the area of rhombus, remember the formula half into D1 into D2 centimeter square, half into 9 into 8 centimeter square, half of 8 is 4 centimeter. 4 into 9 is 36 centimeter square is the area of the rhombus. That to draw the construction of rhombus CA, CA is 5 centimeter and angle A is 65 degree. First of all, we have to draw the rough diagram. Draw two parallel lines and two more parallel lines which intersect the previous two parallel lines intersect each other, and then give the CA 5 centimeter, all sides are equal. Therefore, AK 5 centimeter, KE 5 centimeter, and CE 5 centimeters, and angle A takes 65 degree. Now it is time to draw the flat diagram. Put a dot on 0 and at 5 centimeter. Join two dots. Give the name to the line segment as CA 5 centimeter. And now taking 5 centimeter in the compass, on A we have to draw the arc, and also 60 degree from 65 degree from the point A, keeping the protractor on point A, and counting from C side 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, and 65 is between 60 and 70. So put the dot there and join the dot, draw the ray AX and get 65 degree on A. Taking 5 centimeter in the compass, on A keep this, intersect the arc, intersect the ray by drawing an arc at 5 centimeter and give the name as K, and then all sides are equal, so same 5 centimeter from K towards E, it is 5 centimeter, and from C we have to cut the previous arc and get the vertex E. Now all vertex of rhombus obtained, join CE and join KE, and the required rhombus is completed. Now D1, measuring the D1 as 5.44 centimeter and D2 as 8.5 centimeter, because we know the area of rhombus is half D1 into D2, which is half into 8.5 into 5.4 centimeter. Now half times 5.4 is 2.7, so 8.5 into 2.7. On multiplying you will get 22.95 centimeter square. Second problem, construction of rhombus. LUCK luck. LC is 7.8 centimeter and UK is 6 centimeter. Both the diagonals are given. So first of all, now using the scale, draw the rough diagram. Do two parallel lines and another two parallel lines drawn to intersect each other, and LUCK name is written. First diagonal is 7.5 and another diagonal is 6 centimeter. Now put a point at 0 flat diagram, and at 8 centimeter, 7.8 at 7.8, put a dot at 7.8 and join both the dots, get LC is and write 7.8 centimeter. Now taking more than half in the compass to get the perpendicular line, we have to draw the perpendicular bisector by taking more than half of LC, and from L we have to draw the arcs above and below LC, and from C we have to draw two more arcs which cut the previous arc at previous arc and join to get the point of intersection, and joining the both the point of intersection we will get the perpendicular bisector. After getting the perpendicular bisector, we have to take the half of the another diagonal 3 centimeter in the compass from the midpoint of LC. Keep the compass on the midpoint of LC and draw an arc on the perpendicular bisector both above and below LC, and give the name to the point of intersection as U and K. Now join all these vertices L, U and UC and CK and KL. After joining all these, we will get the required rhombus LUCK luck. And after getting the LUCK luck, now both the diagonals measurements we know, and the area of rhombus is half into D1 into D2, which is half into 7.8 into 6 centimeter. Half of 6 is 3 centimeter, so 7.8 into 3 is 23.4 centimeter. In the next problem, construction of rhombus PARK park. PR is 9 centimeter and LP is 70 centimeter. Now we again draw the rough diagram. Whenever the two angles here angles given on the diagonal, PR is given, and on that we have to draw the angles by taking the half of 75 degree. Now first we have to draw the rough diagram, PARK park rough diagram, by drawing the two parallel lines and two more parallel lines by intersecting the previous parallel lines, and give the name as PARK. 9 centimeter is PR and 35 degree is half of 70 degree, both the below and above the diagonal PR, P and R on both sides. Now after getting 35 degree in the above part of the PR and below PR, we will get A and K by joining this. Now it's time to draw the flat diagram. Put a dot on 0 and at 9 centimeter. Join both the dots. Get PR as 9 centimeter, and half of 70 degrees 35 degree. Keep the projector on P and measures 35 degree 0, 10, 20, 30, and 35 is between 30 and 40. And the same PA we have on P below PR. On P we measure 35 degree, and the same measurement will be taken on the another vertex PR, 35 degree from R, and below PR and above PR 35 degree. Now the previous ray and the another ray intersect at K above PR and intersect at A below PR, and this is how we have to complete the parallelogram PARK when the diagonal and one angle is given, and the required rhombus is obtained. PARK park, both the diagonals 9 centimeter, one diagonal and second diagonal by measuring 6.6 centimeter. Area of rhombus is half into D1 into D2 equal to half into 6.6 into 9 centimeter. 3.3 is half of 6.6 into 9 is 29.7 centimeter square is the required area of the rhombus.